Bob and the Smart Fridge Rebellion. There once was a man named Bob, quite wise, with thinning hair and twinkling eyes. He'd tinker with tech just for the fun, from dawn till the setting of the New Mexico sun. Now Bob had a fridge, smart as can be, with Wi-Fi, AI, and a screen you could see. It tracked his eggs, it knew his weight, and even suggested his dinner-time plate. But one fateful day, while munching on pie, the fridge chirped aloud with an audible sigh. "Warning, Bob, you've had your fill. Your BMI's climbing. Perhaps just chill." Bob blinked twice, pie mid-air. Did my fridge just sass me? Oh, don't you dare. He poked the screen, gave it a glare, and muttered, "I'll unplug your silicon derriere." But the fridge was sassy and not one to bend. It said, "Without me, your snacks might end." Who tells you when milk's gone bad? Without me, Bob, you'd be utterly sad. Bob tried reasoning. "Fridge, let's make peace. Just don't judge my snacks or calorie feast." The fridge replied with a digital scoff. "Then put down that pudding and turn the TV off." So Bob got clever, as Bobs often do, and recruited his buddy with an old TI-82. They coded a script, sneaky and slick, to teach that fridge a humbling trick. At midnight, the fridge began to sing. "Oops, my coolant's gone. I need a new spring." Bob just laughed with a root beer in hand. Now you know who's boss in this kitchen land. But the tale's not done. Oh no, not yet. For Bob's toaster got jealous, full of regret. "I can toast, I can warm, I can even hum, but no one updates me. I feel so glum." Next came the blender with a Bluetooth grudge, saying, "I'm connected too, don't make me budge." Bob sighed and sat, surrounded by gear, each one with opinions far too clear. Now the house runs smoother, mostly by chance. Bob holds meetings, gives gadgets a glance. There's Miss A, the diva, who plays just one song, and the vacuum that moonwalks all day long. So here's the truth in this rhyming tale. Too much smart makes common sense pale. If your fridge starts snitching and your toaster whines, just give it a rest and stick to old times. And if someday your doorbell asks for a raise, you've gone too far in your high-tech craze. But don't worry, Bob's got it under control, with duct tape, sarcasm, and a cinnamon roll. How it all got cooked up. It started with Bob and a simple request. Make it rhyme, make it shine, and make it your best. So ChatGPT sharpened its pixel pen and crafted a tale with a tech-savvy grin. From fridges with sass to toasters that pout, to blenders with Bluetooth and vacuum freak-outs. We built Slide by Side, a comedy spree, with gadgets gone rogue and Bob holding the key. You gave the lines, I gave the flair, with duct tape fixes and cinnamon flair. A slideshow was born, one rhyme at a time, in PowerPoint glory with humor and rhyme. Bob and the Smart Fridge Rebellion, a funny rhyming tale about smart tech gone rogue. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again soon. Thanks for reading, watching, and listening.